Hello everybody, welcome to CryptoPump. This is the first video of CryptoPump on this YouTube channel. So in this video, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin pricing. Bitcoin was in a bear market before, and it seems like to be reversal, by the way. And we're gonna be discussing Bitcoin in a day time frame because it's for like short term, like a week or analysis we can make, and I'm gonna tell you. And in a monthly chart also, or sorry, in a monthly chart, something suspicious going on in a monthly chart, and also the Bitcoin PME gap and everything we're going to discuss in this video. Make sure we don't use any kind of, you can say, a technical, you can say indicators. We only rely on demand supply, fair value gap, and these all concepts. And I will tell you what's going to be end up happening with Bitcoin in this video. Before I continue, let's talk about what is CryptoPump. CryptoPump before we continue, you can just follow me on Twitter, by the way. CryptoPump is a crypto marketplace founded by me, and it is releasing, it's under Profitmark databases, and, it is launching its own crypto marketplace soon, and stay tuned for our crypto days. So we're going to be talking about crypto analysis, Bitcoin analysis. One thing, we don't have any kind of official website of CryptoPump right now, but soon I will have it because I just started my community right now, and within 1 or 2 days, I will create an official website of CryptoPump. On that website, it will be a kind of like database on the hand. Like in that particular thing, you can get every single analysis regarding cryptos, right? Like uh price analysis, like every single analysis will be grabbed together. A database will be there into our website. So you can just go there, you can see what's happening with the Bitcoin, what's gonna end up happening with the Bitcoin, everything you will realize on our official website. We're gonna post it there, and we're gonna stay tuned on our Twitter page. Follow to our Twitter. By the way, there's no tweet at all on our Twitter page. You're gonna be after uploading this video, I will post a Twitter saying that we have upload a video, and on a daily basis I will try my best to create at least one video in a single day. If I am not able to create a video, no problem, guys, I will leave a tweet on my Twitter. On tweet I will explain you what's going to be end up happening with the Bitcoin. Everything will be very nice, guys. So let's talk about Bitcoin pricing right now. So I'm in a day time frame. This is my monthly time frame. Okay. So this is very, very important. You know about something? I don't know. I have seen multiple videos on the internet. Nobody is talking about what is happening in the Bitcoin monthly time frame. Okay. So if you are over here on a monthly time frame over here, okay. So let me just tell you how I analyze this. Now, first of all, these two levels you can able to see. Okay, one level and two level. Okay. Now, why I've drawn these two levels especially? As you can see, this level I've drawn from this fair value gap. This is your fair value gap, and this one I've drawn from this fair value gap. Fair value gap. Actually, fair value gap is one of the most powerful demand and supply, you can say, areas. They can create demand and supply area, but fair value gap mainly works for like in a trendy market. If any fair value gap begins, it used to retrace only single time, and other time it can break all the way through. But sometimes a fair value gap can create a demand and very strong demand and supply region like this. So market used to respect this zone for like 3 times and then broke off. So this is very important about fair value gap. By the way, I have already explained you about fair value gap in my official YouTube channel, which is ProfiMass. Go ahead. I will leave a link down below. By the way, today I'm gonna create video. I'm gonna upload my video, and I will also update you guys on Twitter. So follow me on Twitter. This is very important. Okay. Okay, guys. Now in here you can see the two parallel gaps I've created. Now, if these both are kind of like overlapping to each other, okay, it create a very, very strong area actually. As you can see, it has overlapped, and this region becomes really strong, so it's got rejected. It's a very basic thing I'm explaining you. I don't do such basic things in trading, but I'm explaining to you guys very, very basic things actually. And yep. and we will be surely digging further into much deeper concept also. But right now, I'm going to explain you very, very basic things, okay? Because it's very important to spend time on the market, okay? So the basic thing is that here you can see, okay, so here you can see the two fair value gap are literally overlapping. Like this is the fair value gap, this is the fair value gap. These both are literally overlapping on one another, creating a very, very strong demand and supply area. As you can see, this both were overlapping. This was the region, and as you can see, market just, as you can see, it just touched this level and got rejected back. And one more thing I would like to explain you guys why Bitcoin is actually falling. Now, very important question. Why Bitcoin is falling? The Bitcoin is falling because I am in a monthly time frame. I'm not in a day or anything. I'm in a monthly time frame, okay? And in a monthly time frame, you can see there is a spinning top candle. Okay, nobody in the market, nobody is even talking about spinning top. Nobody is talking about spinning top in the market right now. Everybody is talking what? Everybody in the market is talking about this. Oh my God, ad here again. Everybody is talking about this CME gap. Like, look at here, CME gap it has been filled. Look at here, CME gap. Everybody is talking about gaps, by the way. Nobody is even talking about the spinning top which is forming. And look at here, this candle. You know, this is a very basic reversal pattern. This is a very basic reversal pattern. This is used to happen like this thing. I will explain you right now only because it's my first video and I would like to tell you everything in my first video actually. So like your candle is going up like this, no problem. Okay, going like this. And this is your level suppose and it got closed below this level. So it gives you a shadow, you can say, or you can say wick on the other hand. So it's a wick and now after it's given the wick, by the way, it got instantly, now the buyers have literally closed below the level. So this was your SNR level, okay? And the market has closed below the SNR level, okay? Try to understand this thing, very important, okay? Then suddenly bears will gain power. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so bears has gained power. Now bears have instantly created a red candle. Okay, now there will be again a green candle to retest the same level back again. I know guys, I'm already getting close to now. Explaining you guys the important concepts of trading. Like nobody is even gonna tell you this much deeper. This is my first video. I'm gonna create a lots of videos. In my other videos, I'm gonna tell you things in much deeper aspect, in such a deeper aspects that you can't even realize that you are learning, you are getting such information just for free, guys. Okay, so here the same level is gonna be going back to retest again. And if it goes below this level again, like this, and leave a shadow, okay, the next candle is guaranteed red candle. Okay. Now let's talk about the psychology which is happening over here. I will explain everything. Let's talk about the psychology which is happening over here. Okay. So the psychology which is happening over here is when the market is in the bull run. Okay, market is going up and up and up and up. Suddenly a level. Let's say don't talk about support and resistance. Support and resistance are very basic things. Try to call support resistance as a demand and supply region, or if it is kind of like interacting with the liquidity, then you can say it's liquidity zone. Try to make the market in such concept, by the way. Yeah, exactly. So from the supply region, okay, it got rejected and formed red candle. What is happening here? Okay, let me just explain you with a very simple word. As you can see, buyers are gaining power, and here the sellers are sitting over here. Okay, sellers are sitting over here. They're waiting the market to come at this price, and when the market has come at this particular price, now sellers are active. Now sellers are gonna push the market downwards. Okay, now the sellers has given market push downwards. Now there will be a last pressure by buyer. This is also called as retracement. Okay, Now, a last pressure which will be given by the buyers, and the market is gonna come till here again. And after that, if this candle close below this level, I'm talking about if this candle close below this level, the next candle is sure 100% red candle. Why? Let me explain it. The next candle is gonna be 100% red candle because now the sellers are gain power. The buyers are no more in the market. Buyers are like, I, buddy, I'm not there in the market anymore. The reason behind that is very simple. The buyers has used their confidence because two times it has retraced. Now the market is gonna fall, and if there is a spinning top, like spinning top used to mainly form over here, like this used to be your spinning top in most of the cases, but sometimes spinning top could also form in this region also. Like market again went all the way through and formed a very nice and good spinning top. After this, it's a sure shot guaranteed that the market is gonna heading towards downward directions. Okay, okay, now you know what is happening with the Bitcoin right now. This is a sure shot. I'm talking about this is a sure shot. First of all, this is my first video. That's why I cannot able to explain you this is sure shot pattern into deeper aspect. But you know, I have a curiosity which is coming from inside, which is kind of like a curiosity which I really want to tell you guys about this thing. You know, I don't know, but this is happening with me. By the way, we will understand this particular short pattern. You know, it's a reversal pattern in much deeper aspect when the videos will come every single day. By the way, I will upload videos every single day. If I cannot able to upload a video, at least I will put a, I will, I can share you a chart on a Twitter. That's why follow me on Twitter right now. Okay, not right now, after this video. Link are in description box below. Okay, and after this market used to gonna go down. Okay, by the way, guys, listen carefully. This is Bitcoin. This is not like a 15-minute start or 2 minute start or 1 minute start or a daytime. This is a Bitcoin chart. You know about something, what happens in market actually? Demand and supply. Exactly. When the price of an asset is cheap, a greed is there. When the asset of a price is very high, a fear is there. Exactly, I'm trying to say. Right now, I know one thing that this is a reversal pattern. I've explained you how this is a reversal pattern. But the main problem which still sticks here, that the price of Bitcoin will go down. For me personally, I don't know. Wait for the market reaction. Wow. I'm explaining why. Why? Actually, you know about something? When the Bitcoin is going to go cheap, there will be a greed. And if it's going to expensive, there will be a fear. That's why it's very hard to say where the Bitcoin is gonna go. I can't tell you the exact what's gonna be end up happening, but wait for this candle, okay? If this candle closes somewhere around here, we're gonna opt for one more red candle continuation of the market trend. Okay, we can suspect a continue if this closing at a sweep. What is a sweep and what is a run? Both are different concepts, guys. I will explain you all such concepts one by one. Actually, I'm getting tired of speaking. By the way, I don't know. I got you know, I don't know how many people are gonna watch my video. There might be barely few people are gonna watch, but they're gonna love it. My videos, okay. So if this candles make a sweep, okay, sweep and but the probability of making a sweep is very low. If it makes a sweep, then there will be again a very big undecision. You know, I also can't take a decision, but if it closes below this level, then you know everything. Decision will be very easier. By the way, just wait for a few more days. Though I will drop every single analysis on a daily basis, and I will also give you signals. Oh, not the signals one. I'm not talking about such people who used to share a VIP or something like that. I'm talking about signals like Bitcoin can reach to this level, can go down, creating a database and on our past, data, on our past data, we can analyze the future predictions also. And that is going to be very accurate because by the way, the Solana has made a successful sweep, but make sure Bitcoin is Again, not at all sweep anymore. It's not have made sweep yet, but still, all the altcoins used to run behind Bitcoin. As the Bitcoins react, the altcoins are also gonna react. Let's go to here. This is the day time frame, and there's nothing in it. So let me just draw some of the levels in front of you guys. Okay, I'm gonna draw something. So let's start by drawing a fair value gap. So I'm gonna draw some fair value gap. Okay, so this is our fair value gap. Okay, let's come to at least a week time frame first. Okay, so in a week time frame, we can see this is like an open bridge. I don't think it's open bridge. I put that in the chart pattern only. Anyways, because I don't trade on the basis of chart pattern too much. Over here, if you will, total will there's as you can see, what is this? A fair value gap, a very strong fair value gap which has already been respected. No problem. Okay. Okay, let me just come to monthly time frame. I know one thing, it takes some time to mark up some of the levels, by the way. Anyways, let's mark up some simple levels. Let's like some of the levels which are very basic and very simple in nature. Well, I stopped trading on such a simple analysis, by the way, but still I'm making it for you as this Bitcoin sometimes. As you can see, it haven't made all the way through the, zone, by the way. Wait a second, few more levels is very important, which I need to make first. Now to show you the correct analysis if I could. Okay, just wait a second. If I give out the favor, yeah. Just wait a second, guys. Okay, amazing. Yeah. So, yeah, some Fibonacci is also important. Oh, wait, that. Some Fibonacci is also important, guys. It's very important. Just wait a moment, guys. I'm just showing you something. Okay, amazing. Okay, amazing, guys. Let's just start it. So, one more thing which we have to draw again. Okay, amazing. So over here, guys, as you can see clearly, it was a liquidity sweep. Now, what is a liquidity sweep on the first list? Liquidity sweep, and when a price move too much rapidly, and ad is coming. Okay, no problem. When a price is moving too much rapidly, okay, and it went all the way through your demand and supply region, but has it closed above your demand and supply region? Okay, try to understand this thing. I know many people have understood, but many people it's like going above your concept, everything. Don't worry about it. Okay, so in this thing, it has made a liquidity sweep from this level. As you can see, the Fibonacci 0.5 doll, 0.61 which what was that 0.618, I guess. Yeah, 0.618 are more powerful, but 0.5 is again powerful Fibonacci 0.5. So Fibonacci 0.5 and this demand area are kind of like lining up together. If two zones are lining up together, they are one of the powerful zones. Okay, so with this powerful zone, it has done a liquidity sweep with this powerful zone. And secondly, there was a trend line. Okay, okay, true confirmation has been done, and market has done a sweep. So this is a sweep, by the way, and I think market is kind of like going towards the normal region only. I think market can make all the way through the trend line back again because I've seen some of the influencer doing so. Okay, so it can bend all the way through this region again, around 66K again, I guess. But guys, Bitcoin is still under reaction, by the way. Bitcoin can go up. By the way, I'm also saying because like it's like this reason, okay? But in monthly time frame things are different and daily time frame things are again different. Everything is different. What to do, we also don't know. But if you stay tuned, guys, we will back again. Now you can go for a call option when it started to do for sweep. By the way, sweep is very important. Many people I've seen without even looking, they just took the trade without even looking at the sweep or not. By the way, market has closed below this level, so I guess this was a fake out. So this was a sweep. First of all, this was a sweep. By the way, okay, sweep, and secondly, it was a fake out fake out, or you can say liquidity hunt. Okay. So why it was liquidity hunt? Because that was a fake out, and market has closed below the Fibonacci. Okay, market has closed below the Fibonacci. That's a fake out and a liquidity hunt. And market has rapidly moved around demand and supply regions and a trend line that's liquidity. So two confirmation we know. Okay. So let's see, guys, if that's a fake out and a liquidity sweep, we'll confirm it today only after 13 hours. And if it is a liquidity sweep and the other one, fake out or liquidity hunt, we will be 100% going for a 4-1 again. And by the way, as you can see, this was a very strong demand and supply region, and Fibonacci 0.618 is very powerful. I will tell you about Fibonacci later on. Stay tuned. Okay, so we have discussed on a monthly time frame done. We have discussed on a daily time frame done. Let's go for PM done. You know one thing, it has been observed in Bitcoin, like if it forms a gap, because if there is a gap, it needs to be fulfilled. This is a market concept which used to happen in every single kind of you can say pairs, by the way. And the same gap has been formed here. It got filled again. I think Bitcoin is again gonna fill the same gap, and there will be a bull run. But let's see what's gonna be end up happening. By the way, I don't totally claim like Bitcoin is gonna go up. I'm not like those people who totally are literally sure that let's put together Bitcoin is gonna go on 4-1. By the way, me personally, I only wait for the market reaction. By the way, that's just phenomenal. I only wait for a market reaction. By the way, and after once I've done with the reaction, I tell you guys what's gonna be end up happening. By far, as you can see, liquidity sweep over here. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna cover the gap, by the way. So it's gonna be like simple. Yep, three touches on the top, three touches on the bottom. It can break all the way through. Yep. So I will talk about this thing later on. Because guys, listen carefully. History are not created in one day. That's why analysis is not completed in one day. It takes some time. Like it takes a week time, a lot of time it used to take. And at the end, looking at our databases, we can finally analyze where the market can go. Okay. At the end, guys, to follow me on Twitter, I'm gonna give you on the daily basis, I will give you the analysis on the daily basis, and make sure to join our group in Telegram. There you will get the analysis on the daily basis, and please DM me. If you have any question, just go ahead, DM me. You can DM me through, you can contact me through Twitter, or you can contact me through Telegram. Anywhere, if you want to contact me, just contact me if you're facing any kind of problem. Because yeah, just contact me, okay? And when I will have my website, you will get a official email address of CryptoPump. There you can also contact me, okay? There's a lot of ways to contact me, by the way, guys. Hope you like the video. It's me, Prince Gupta. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet tomorrow, and we're gonna be uploading we're gonna be posting the analysis shortly. Thanks.